Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. The man identified by prosecutors as the triggerman in the murder of 10-month-old Soraya Paulwell, daughter of Jamaican politician Philip Paulwell and her mother, Toshyna Patterson, is to be sentenced on July 24. Director of Public Prosecutions Claudette Thompson disclosed the sentencing date during a plea and case management hearing in the Home Circuit Court this morning. Details from Raquel Porter.
David Smith, who pleaded guilty on June 10, faces sentencing on charges including 2 counts of conspiracy to murder, 2 counts of conspiracy to kidnap, 2 counts of kidnapping, and 2 counts of capital murder. Prosecutors previously told the court that Smith was the gunman who killed Miss Patterson and her infant daughter after receiving a firearm from co-accused Bjorn Black. The Crown also alleged that Smith sent a photograph of the mother and child to accuse the mastermind Leoda Bradshaw from the murder scene at her request. In March 2024, then Director of Public Prosecutions Paula Llewellyn indicated that the Crown intended to seek the death penalty against Smith. The prosecution further alleged that the murders were carried out in the presence of Richard Brown and Bjorn Black. 6 people were charged in connection with the case. Brown and Rasheen Miller pleaded guilty in October 2023 and were sentenced in November. Brown, who admitted to kidnapping and murder, was sentenced to 30 years in prison. Prosecutors said he drove Miss Patterson and her daughter to the location where they were killed. Miller pleaded guilty to 2 counts each of conspiracy to kidnap and accessory before the fact to murder. He was sentenced to 7 years imprisonment. The Crown said that while he participated in planning the crimes, he was not present at the scene of the killings. Meanwhile, Miss Bradshaw, her cousin, Roland Balfour, and Bjorn Black are scheduled to return to court on September 17 for a trial readiness hearing. Raquel Porter reporting for TVJ News.